Hey, we're taping.
Hello. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Nacho, please. We cannot concentrate with your barking. It's okay, darling. Scratchy next. Okay, bring it out. Come on out. That's right.
Nacho.
Please, this is a private therapy session. Okay, get a sweet turtle, sweet boy. That's right. Sweet boy. First name Charles. Oh my God, is his name Charlie? Oh, no, dear. Always massage the necks of my reptiles. That's right. Oh, I'm sorry. That's all right. Come on. Oh, okay. Where are we going? Darwin, you're very handsome. Oh, handsome. It's okay. All right. The world is not as friendly as it should be. Okay. It's all right, sweetheart. Okay, can we do some photos now?